Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The Honorable our lecturer, Dr. Adzanil Prima Septy M.Pd Ph.D. And now, I'm Hidayatil Alya, an English student of Bung Hatta University. My ID number is 21100131210 and 7. Okay, in this occasion, I want to make a video to provide my final semester exam requirement in subject IT-based media for English language teaching. So let's see my answer. Okay, the first is about the aims or the objective of IT-based media course and how to manage learning activities to meet the objective. Okay, I think my answer, the objective of this course, especially IT-based media, is to engaging minds and building skills of the students. This course equipped me with the tools and knowledge to transform English language learning from passive absorption to active exploration. Its objective revolves around harnessing technology to create interactive, accessible, and engaging learning experiences. We can explore platforms, build multimedia presentations, and delve into the principle of effective online and blended learning. So to achieve this objective in this course, IT-based media, I embrace active learning. I participated online discussions, collaborative projects, and I presented my ideas virtually. I experimented with different tools, explored best practices, and sought feedback from peers and instructors. This hands-on approach solidified my understanding and allowed me to tailor my learning to my strengths and goals. The importance of this course cannot be overstated. In today's stage-driven world, IT-based media is reshaping education. This knowledge empowers me to create dynamic and personalized learning environment that cater the diverse needs and learning styles. So it's not just about mastering new tools, also it's about igniting curiosity, fostering collaboration, and ultimately propelling learners toward language mastery. And that my experience in this course was transformative. It opened my eyes to the tremendous potential of technology in language education. I now feel confident to design engaging lessons, motivate learners, and make English learning an enriching and rewarding experience. This journey has not only broadened my skills but also fueled my passion for innovative teaching. And then the second is how the concepts and principles of teaching and learning relate to e-learning system and classroom management. So I think e-learning system bridge the gap between traditional teaching principles and digital spaces. Concepts like active learning translate through interactive elements like quizzes and simulations, while differentiated instruction manifests in personalized learning path and adaptive content. Principles like feedback and assessment find new forms in automated scoring and gamified progress tracking. And about classroom management, it takes a different shape online. The focus shifts to fostering engagement and self-directed learning through clear course design, intuitive interface, and community building features like forums and discussions boards. Platforms also empower educators to track student progress in real time, allowing for adaptive interventions and personalized support. And then number 3 is the problems of implementing computer or mobile apps or IT-based teaching and learning in the current situations in school. So while e-learning offers exciting possibilities, its implementation in schools face hurdles. The first is technical barriers. Unequal access to devices and reliable internet hinders inclusivity. Schools may lack proper infrastructure and power outages can disrupt online learning. And number 2 is pedagogical challenges. So effective e-learning requires a shift from traditional methods. Teachers need training and support to design engaging online content and utilize apps pedagogically, not just as a substitute for physical lessons. And number 3 is social and emotional concerns. Overreliance on screens can lead to isolations and weaken social skills. Some students might struggle with self-motivation and require personalized attention, which can be difficult in online setting. And the last question in this session is the best practices to manage the selected computer or mobile apps or IT media for e-learning in English language teaching. So the first is learning management essential for English teachers. Curate, don't create. Leverage existing high-quality apps for specific skills like grammar, vocabulary, and pronunciations instead of reinventing the wheel. And then blend and personalize. So combine a learning apps with a traditional methods to cater the diverse learning styles and needs. Offer choice within apps for students to personalize the learning. And then gamify it up. Encourage intrinsic motivation with points, badges, and leaderboards built in many apps. Next is track and adjust. Analyze app usage data to identify gaps and tailor instruction accordingly. Provide targeted feedback with the app or in a classroom. So, it's an English management essential for English learners. The first, plan your time. Schedule is the most important thing. Schedule a regular slots for e-learning, treating it like any other class. And then mix it up. Avoid app fatigue by using different apps for different skills and switching things up regularly. And the third, connect and collaborate. Leverage social features in apps to discuss learning content with peers or find language exchange partners. For example, you can use some application like M.Pd or Duolingo to practice your English skill or to speak with a native or English-speaking country people. And then the next is track your progress. Monitor your own learning journey by setting goals and reviewing achievement within the app. So I have some general tips for the best practices in IT best for English language teaching and learning. The first is prioritize accessibility. Ensure chosen apps are usable on various devices and internet speeds. And the next is focus on content quality. Choose apps with engaging, educational content aligned with lesson objective. And then seek feedback. Actively solicit feedback from teachers and learners to refine an e-learning strategy so that by following these best practices, you can maximize the effectiveness of learning of e-learning apps and create a vibrant and engaging environment for English language learning teaching. Okay, I think that's all my explanations of my answer from my final semester exam in subject of IT-based media for English language learning and teaching. Thank you for watching and please correct me if I have a mistake. And if you have some questions, you can ask your question by DM or message me. Okay? Thanks for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye-bye.